देखो, our beautiful country has a different names. Now it will not be asked in your prelims and mains, but it is imperative as being a citizen of this country you should know that how we have got these names. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत in short you have to know. First, the prominent name which we have India, that is Bharat. Bharat, how we got it? There are two references for that. One is the Rigvedic reference, because in Rigvedic time frame, that is around 1500 BC, we used to have a prominent Aryan tribe known as Bharat. From there we might have got this name Bharat. And the second reference is given of Mahabharata. Now coming to the second name, that is connected with Hind and Hindustan. देखो, हिंद हमें सबसे पहले बुलाया गया बाय द पर्शियंस. और कब बुलाया गया? इन 600 BC अराउंड यू विल बी फाइंडिंग दिस. 600 BC में यू विल बी फाइंडिंग वी वर लिविंग इन हियर अराउंड दिस सप्त सिंधु रीजन. बुलाना तो हमें सप्त सिंधु पीपल बुलाना चाहिए था, सिंधु रीजन के लोग बुला देना चाहिए था, बट हमें बुलाया गया हिंदू. व्हाई? बिकॉज पर्शियंस वर नॉट एबल टू प्रोनाउंशिएट एस वर्ड. उनके एस की प्रोनाउंसिएशन में दिक्कत है. तो व्हाट दे स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग अस Hindu, and this is written in their scripture, that is Zend Avastha. After that you will be finding Hindustan. Now later on this Hind converted into Hindustan in the medieval time frame, when you will be finding these Turks came to India. They gave us this name of Stan, Hindustan. Why Stan? Stan in that particular region of West Asia you will be finding most of the countries in Central Asia used to pick this Stan word. Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan. Likewise they used to call us as Hindustan. The people of Hindu reside over there, right, east of Indus. Now the prominent name you will be finding over here, India. Now India, might be some confusion that we have been given this name by the Britishers. This is wrong. India is as old as we have got this Hind as our name. You try to understand that Ind name we have got by the Greeks, and Greeks when near about this Persian time only, 600 BC around only. These Greeks were not able to say this Hind word, so इनका H silent हो गया and they started calling us Ind, sometime Indos. That's why Megasthenes, you must have read about that he has written one book as Indica, and from there you will be finding that we have got our name as India prominent, but this India got publicized or utilized more by Britishers. That is how we are more acquainted with this particular name.